Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the new operating system that is Windows 11. Microsoft's latest operating system Windows 11 is in the public testing from a month. Here, let me explain why I love Windows 11 more than other versions. Of course, it is still got bugs, but as in testing phase, we may see those are gone in the final version. Reason number 1. Full redesign. You can see Windows 11 redesign everything from start menu to taskbar and from notification pane to quick settings. Finally, Microsoft given a new look with round corners for everything. This is eye-catchy, at the same time it is so beautiful. Plus side, the dark menu is baked perfectly rather than half-baked in Windows 10. The downside, not all got this redesign like. If you see, when I right click on here, you can see the show more options still available and it is showing the old Windows 10 context menu. Reason number 2. New start menu. Love it or hate it, but you will definitely try it. The new start menu in Windows 11 looks so awesome thanks to removing the live tiles which are bothering since Windows 8, and we also got these beautiful mobile type icons in the start menu. This looks so beautiful and much cooler than previous start menus. On the plus side, you can see there are no live tiles, no more live tiles, that's it. On the minus side, if you want to access the all apps, you need to click the same as click on this all apps button to find your apps in this all apps category, which is the same as Windows 10. Reason number 3. Snapping. Did you try Windows 11 latest snapping feature? If not, just hover your mouse to the maximize button and you can see the snapping options. Just click on any place and our window will automatically snap in that place. You can see when I hover here, the snapping options are showing and I am going to click on this corner button and it will automatically snap my window in here. This snapping feature is also available in the Power Toys menu as a fancy zone. But this one's so much cool. By the way, the shortcut to access snapping, that is Windows plus Z, and we can choose anything. Plus side, multitasking is more fun in this way. Minus side, it is so cool, but I want another option to integrate here. When I right click on here, I need a reverse option to interchange these windows like we did in the smartphones. Reason number 4. Settings. Windows 11 also redesigned settings with a fresh design. Comes with the sections as same as Windows 10. But this time all categories are placed and also added a breadcrumb features like this one. When I click on this personalization and click on start and click on these folders, you can see I can easily navigate back to the one step back to the settings and even into the further back to the personalization settings. Windows 11 also added control panel options directly into the settings, like this cool feature here in the network and internet. In the previous Windows, we goes to the control panel to enable or disable our network adapters. But in this Windows 11 settings, we don't need to use the control panel anymore. We can just simply click on this advanced network settings and we can disable Wi-Fi adapter or Ethernet adapter without going to the control panel. The plus side is settings are very easier to access and navigate. And for the minus side is even in Windows 11 we still see control panel. I can search the control panel from here. You can see the control panel is still available with the settings like programs, clock and region, user accounts. Control panel is still there and it will be there even if Windows released 1.11 version, I think. Reason number 5. New icons. Apart from the redesigning Windows 11, Microsoft also given new icons in all places from start menu to quick settings, and from file explorer to even in the control panel also. You can see these are the new icons showing in the control panel. The plus side is these icons are so beautiful and so unique. And for the minus side is they may be slightly confused with the older versions of icons like this cut, copy, paste. I also even forget what it is. We need to memorize and we need to take time to understand what this icon means. Reason number 6. New context menu. Windows 11 context menu is so cool because they are using icons instead of text command. Here, when I right click on this folder, we can see icons instead of cut, copy, paste commands in the context menu. This will reduce the size of the context menu and looks more cooler than it is. Context menu also smartly places icons where you click, like here when I right click on this top folder, all icons are placed in the top. At the same time, when I right click on this bottom folder, you can see the most used icons are placed in the bottom, not in the top. So this will reduce my mouse movements while doing standard file operations. The plus side is icons so cool takes less space and less mouse movement. At the same time, minus side is these icons need take time to remember them and to use them. Reason number 7. The start is on the center. Windows 11 finally centered the taskbar by bringing the start icon into the center. This is so nicer and some users saying it is so bold. But change is good. Windows 11 also give an option to go back to the start menu to the left side by changing this setting personalization, taskbar and taskbar alignment center to left. But I don't think no one is going to back the left alignment. The plus side is this is so looking good and this is so refreshing. This is the new in Windows 11. And for the minus side is you can see when we center all our apps and start menu, there is an empty blank in here in the left side of the taskbar. You can see in the right side all quick actions and quick settings notifications are filled with here, but there is nothing in the left side. If Windows 11 makes it more transparent, then we don't see this side of empty taskbar and we can see this one only. And for the reason number 8, new animations. Windows 11 brings fresh new animations to the OS. Here, when I maximize this, you can see a jumping icon, and when I minimize this, you can see the same jumping icon. This is the fresh animation. This looks so smooth and subtle. And you can see when I click on this, this will active by showing the blue bar. This is based on my theme color, and when I minimize it, you can see the color bar is gone to smaller one. If you don't like these new animations, you can simply disable them in the settings. Just go into the settings and click on this accessibility, and in the accessibility, click on this visual effects, and in the visual effects, you can see this animation effects and just turn it off. Reason number 9, new themes. Windows 11 brings 6 new themes into these settings. Here you can see in the settings and in the personalization, the themes are located here. These are the 6 themes. These are including light and dark themes. In here, when you hover here, you can see this is Windows Dark and this one is Windows Light. The difference is when I apply this light theme, all my settings and taskbar and start menu all goes into the light mode. And if you want to go to the dark mode, you can simply change the theme by clicking on this one. This is the dark theme. Entire taskbar, start menu and settings apps all are going to the dark mode. This is so cool way to change the dark to light and light to dark mode. Reason number 10, Emoji Panel. Windows 10 already introduced as the Emoji Panel. You can access this by pressing Windows plus period keys. But in the Windows 11, the Emoji Panel is also got an improvmental update. When I press Windows plus period keys, you can see this is a newly improved Emoji Panel in the Windows 11. In this new Emoji Panel, we can access emojis, GIFs, and also our old symbols, punctuation marks, and so more. And we can also use this universal search bar to search entire emojis or GIFs by just typing here. This is so cool because so many people want to type these emojis in their social networking when they use them as a desktop versions. And for the final reason number 11, Windows 11 removed some annoying Windows 10 features like Quick Action Center. The Action Center is not useful and it is so bulky. So Windows 11 divide it into two groups. One is notifications. When I click on this time and date, this will show my latest notification centers including my calendar. Action settings also changed into quick settings. Like when I click on this Wi-Fi or my sound button, this will show my quick setting access, and I can also add them by simply adding these options here. That's it guys. These are my favorite 11 features to fall in love with Windows 11. If you're still not using Windows 11, just give it a try. This is so cool and you can see a refreshment in the OS and user interface. Thank you for watching.